how to feel better about yourself. This is just something I thought I'd share with you. If you're feeling a bit down, or even if you're not, it can make you feel better. So what did I do yesterday? I went and gave blood. So I don't know if you give blood at all, but I've done 26 sessions now giving blood, and it's just really rewarding. You know, when I went there yesterday, the woman said to me, "Oh, did you realize you've got baby blood?" And I said, "Oh, what was that about again?" And I remember getting some letter in the past about it, but she said, yeah, basically because I said to her, it's because my blood is better, isn't it? And she said, well, it is in some ways, because it's got less antibodies in it or something like that, and therefore it is more suitable for babies. So she said, your one donation today, instead of making one pack maybe for an adult's blood transfusion or whatever blood products they need, it will make 6 baby products. So she said it's really good. And then I remembered that I got a letter through last time I gave blood, and it was from the NHS saying that my blood had been used on certain babies in this intensive care unit in Southampton Hospital, for example. And it just makes you feel fantastic, doesn't it? It makes me feel fantastic to just feel like you're giving something back. So my advice is, if you're feeling a bit crap, a bit low, a bit shit, is do something for someone else. You don't have to go and give blood, of course, but do something for someone else and do them a favor. Have a chat with them, reach out to people who are in a worse situation than you. Donate some money to charity. I was at the supermarket the other day and just putting my spare coins into the charity donation box just makes you feel a little bit better about yourself. You can obviously do a lot more than that, but it just can give you a little pep up. Just smiling at someone on the street, making their day. They may be having a shit day, and you might just be able to lift them up as well. And if you do that, that might make you feel better. So another great technique I've done in the past is like paying it forward, where I was in a coffee shop queue and I said, right, can I pay for 2 coffees please, and the next one is going to be whatever the next person after me wants. It's just like, or the person that comes in on their own, they can have a free coffee. And the first time you do that, they look at you like you're a complete nutter, but some places just say, oh yeah, that's a good idea, innit? I've heard about that sort of thing. And one day I was having a coffee in the coffee shop, and a person then came over to me and just wanted to say thank you for the coffee you bought me. And that made me feel great. I didn't do it for that reason. I just did it for the act of giving. And I've done it before when I've then left the coffee shop, so I don't see the person, but it was great to see this person and see their appreciation. So sometimes if you're feeling a bit crap, just do something for someone else. That's my advice to you. Have a fantastic day. All the best. Bye.